So you finally decided to jump into photography. As you surely find out that the more and more you get into photography, it's a fun hobby or career path that's going to bring you endless joy. You will also find out that it's a little overwhelming. By that, I mean there's just a lot to learn. From lighting to retouching to camera settings to gear, there's just a lot on your plate. You must remember though, photography as an art form is a never-ending process of learning. It is an amalgamation of technical skills, ideas, and creativity. Even as a professional photographer, there will always be more you can learn. So you have to keep practicing. The more you shoot, the better results you achieve. With that in mind, I put together a list of tips that I found helpful when I was starting my journey in photography. Some of these things I discovered on my own making silly mistakes, and some other ones I learned from more experienced photographers. And now I'm passing them on to you. So stay subscribed. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel because you'll be learning a lot on photography.